Hello guys, how are you? I hope all fine and good. Today we will solve a small problem or big problem in Word. It's based on you. When you write anything, it's overtyping what's already existing in your document. Let me give you example. Like here, I need to remove the annual and write anything and leave the another words after it. Okay, but when I select it to type anything, you see it's override what's already existing. No, it's by mistake. If you remove backspace and write the correct one, what's happened? The file it's damaged. What's happened? When you write anything, it's overtyping what's the existing words inside. How you solve to control and to can write and edit your document exactly? Go to File, go to Option. After that, go to Advanced. You see this option. Use the insert key to control override mode. Remove this two box and OK. This is called OVR option. This is to override typing. And now let's see. Annual leave. Yes, that's it. Now it's correct. Now I can edit and my file not damaged and can add or edit anything in my document. Now it's back to normal. Now you can do what you want and edit what you want. I hope you get benefits from my video and add value to you and your information to solve your issue. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and enable the ring and like it. If you already subscribed, don't forget to like and share to all get benefits. See you in another videos. Bye bye.